Hey guys, welcome back to Industrial Live. I'm Jeff Hine, your host, and here it's our goal to make you more money. And today we're talking about the Denver Industrial Quarterly Update, Denver Industrial Market, what's happened in 2020 now that we're winding down to a close. We're going to be talking about construction. Why is construction almost double where we were at last year? Also going to be talking about sales volume, price per square foot, cap rate, all that good stuff and more. So let's get started. So today we are using RealCap Analytics for our data, and we're going to start by looking at the Colorado geography industrial product, starting with construction right here. And first thing that really jumps out is construction starts. Well, let's see, this is volume in terms of dollars, but let's look at square feet. And construction starts are up about 90%, almost double year over year. Anticipated completions next year, double. So maybe some cause for concern there, but when you look and dig a little bit deeper, not really, because when you look at the data and what's actually getting built, first thing that really jumps out is this Amazon, if I can highlight this, Amazon warehouse in Colorado Springs, 3.7 million square feet. And this is actually a 5-story warehouse. This is going to be the largest warehouse or largest product in general across all asset types in Colorado Springs. Trammell Crow is developing it and expected to deliver in Q1. So if you take this out of the equation, that 3.7 million square feet, and pop back up to the top, then we're going from 5 million square feet of product to 6 million square feet of product. Much more reasonable increase, about a 15% increase. And if you go even deeper into what else is actually getting constructed, there are a few other major owner-user developments. Shamrock Distribution Center, East I-70 corridor, over 1 million square feet there. And Costco, 400,000 square feet there. So when you start to take out those owner-user construction projects and you're looking at just spec construction, really not a whole lot of reason to be concerned, if any reason to be concerned at all for the construction pipeline. So let's talk about sales volume. So here we're still in Colorado industrial, looking at the sales volume chart. And you will see that for Q2, Q3 2020, the numbers dipped significantly from where we were at a year ago when we were doing about 800 million in quarterly volume. Now we're at about 400 million. However, looks pretty normal when you're comparing it to this entire cycle that we're in now. And if you do compare that to the national picture, currently we're in United States industrial sales volume. You'll actually see that as a whole, nationwide industrial volume has dipped considerably more than the Colorado industrial picture. Now, if we look at the actual year over year, quarter over quarter changes, we're back in Colorado now. We dipped 10% in Q2, dipped 40% year over year change in quarterly volume for Q3, and flipping back to the national picture where we're down 40%, down 60%. So that indicates that for sales volume, product in Colorado is trading, and we're doing better than the national average. And most definitely when you compare industrial to other asset classes as well, most other asset classes are down about 80% in sales volume, whereas we're down about half. So a significant dip there for sure, but still doing better than other product types, other geographies. So let's look at price per square foot. Going back to Colorado here. Here is our price per square foot chart. We're currently at 130, 133 per square foot. We did have a couple outlier quarters in Q4 19, Q1 20, where we were flirting with 150, 160 per square foot. But if you look at the picture a year back where we were doing 122, 128, 126, now we're at 130, 133. That represents a pretty clear growth trajectory. If you look at the national picture, we're up 5% in price per square foot. So pretty similar chart there. You'll see that nationally, industrial real estate is cheaper on a price per pound basis than it is in Colorado, but they're looking at about a 5% year-over-year growth in price per square foot. So that is holding steady, maintaining its previous trajectory. And then if we flip over to cap rates, you'll see that industrial cap rates nationally have been dipping this entire deal cycle, and currently at approximately 6% median cap rate here. And going back to the Colorado picture, data isn't as complete as you would like, but we're flirting with 6.5, 6.75 cap rates on average. So to me, that indicates that if you're a seller, there's still some cap rate compression that Colorado might see in the short to medium term. And if you're a buyer, there's still really good value out there. Get a 6.5 cap, 6.75 on an average Denver industrial product. No surprise that I think that's a good deal. But that's all I got for you guys today. So hope you found that useful. Let me know what you think. Comments, send me an email, and look forward to talking soon. Thanks.